Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Masters in Selenium. I am your Ramesh Kodumuru. Today we are going to discuss writing a Java program to find a factorial of a given number using for loop. Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all we'll open the Eclipse and create a class. I'm naming this class as fact example 2 public static main conf yes. Okay. And before writing the program, we'll understand what exactly the factorial of a number. Okay, I'll have a notepad here. The factorial of a number is multiplying the number with the same number and all the possible small integers of the number. Okay, and how the formula will be n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 n minus 2 to n minus 3 and so on. If you take the factorial of 5, okay, what is the factorial of 5 will be 1 t. Okay, so this logic we need to convert into the code in our program. How we can able to do? First of all, what are the elements or variables we need to take? List of variables. So one variable I am taking as num as a input and it will be 5. I want the factorial of 5, right? So 5 and it will act as a input variable and I had to get the result, right? So I'm making result as fact. You can keep any name for this variable. I'm using a fact and I'm initializing with 1. I will say why I'm initializing 1 and it acts as a output or result variable. Okay. What's the formula I'm using? Calculate the factorial. See, the formula I'm using is fact is equal to fact to I. Okay, I'll explain how exactly this formula works. Okay, suppose I want a factorial of 5, so I had to use this formula for 5 times. Copy this one times. Okay, and in place of I, so first of all you see how it comes. Factor of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. So 5 times 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The same logic I had to implement here by using this formula. So instead of I say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So instead I told that the initial variable of the fact I keeping as 1. What happens if I multiply 0 into 1, it will 0. 0 into 2, it will 0. So I had to initialize this fact with 1. What will happen here? 1 into 1 will be 1. Same, what happened? Now the fact value is 1. But I am multiplying with 2. The value will be 2. And now the fact value is 2 multiplied by 3. Now it will be 6. Same. Now the fact value is 6 multiplied by 4. Now fact value is 24. If you come to last one, so 24 into 5, the fact value is 20. So the factorial of 5 is 120. So we got this one. Okay. And what are the loop elements we need to take? Loop elements will be, first it has to start with 1. So int I is equal to 1, and it has to loop for 5 times. So I less than or equal to num is 5 here, and I plus. I had to iterate each one time. Okay, this is the logic we use in our code. Okay, now we have gone through it. So if you want, you can take a screenshot here, and we will implement all this logic in our program. Okay, let's start. So what are the variables we need to take? Two variables. Okay, int num is equal to 5. I want a factor of 5, and output I am taking as fact, and I am initializing with 1, and I want the factorial of a number by using while. A while and control space. What is the condition I had to use here? Condition is I is less than or equal to number. So condition. So I had to initialize I, right? So what is the I here? I is to start with 1. Okay. And what is the formula? Formula is fact is equal to fact into I. And at increment each for one time, right? So I plus. Okay. Now I want to print the output. This is output, control space, the factorial of the even number. So what is number here? I use num and is a fact. Okay, let's save the program and click on run. See, the factorial of 5 is 120. So by using while loop, we have got the factorial of a number. Okay, and if you want to change the factorial of 6, I can change the number here. Just click on run. Okay, so the logic we understand here, right? Same logic we are implementing a program, and we are getting the factorial of a number using while loop. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.